Hey guys and girls, so today just a real quick video on shop lighting and upgrading your lights, making a better work environment, obviously being able to see a little bit better, etc., etc. So just mind the dirt in here. So in this room here, what I did is I replaced the T8 light fixtures in here, like the traditional fluorescent bulbs, with a daylight LED bulb, and it's made a huge difference in here for light. But unfortunately, on the other side here, all we've got is that's actually a 100 watt equivalent or a 23 watt compact fluorescent. So as you can see, there's some shadowing, and especially if I close this door to my shop, it's pretty dark, shadows, etc., etc. So the idea is that all the storage racks in the shop are actually going to move out in here, and it'll give me some more room in my shop. But as you can see, the one light that I've got is not really cutting it. So Canadian Tire had this Noma LED shop light on sale, and it's 4,000 lumens, excuse me. I believe that a traditional compact fluorescent light, I think it's 1,600 lumens, give or take. So this should be quite a difference. So as you can see right now, and I've mounted this light just temporarily to the one side. It is centered this way in the room, but it's not centered this way because the light, unfortunately, is perfectly centered in the room, or darn close. So really this new shop light's off to the one side. You can see kind of shadowy, not really the best. We'll turn that light off, crank this guy up. Look at that. No shadows in the room itself. Even as I'm walking around, very little shadowing. It's actually a daylight bulb, and it kind of matches closer to what I've got in there. So I'm very happy with this purchase so far. Again, a real cheap, easy way of upgrading your lighting. Everything's well lit in here now, be easy to find stuff. Basically what I did is I just took, I'm gonna turn this light off, and I'm gonna put this one back on just so it's not as bright. But what I did is I just drilled two little holes in there, and it's just a drywall screw right now that's holding that up. What I did like about this light, not only was the price, it was on sale, it was half price, it was regularly $70, it was on for $34.99. I used my Canadian Tire money to buy it, which is even better. But it was not only the price, the fact that it's 4,000 lumens, but it's got the checker plate pattern up in there. And when I was holding it in the store, it felt like it was plastic, which didn't deter me, but she is metal. It's not super reflective, so you're not really going to notice it, especially when the light's on. But you know, I think it's a great look. It actually matches my outlet and receptacle, or sorry, switch covers. So I think it's a nice little addition. Like I said, we're going from this light to that light. I think it's great. So, excuse me. So if you found the video informative, thumbs up. You didn't find it informative, thumbs down. Leave your comments down below there. Maybe think about hitting that subscribe button right there. I'm adding new content all the time. It might be kind of related to this. It might be tool related. It might be car related. It could be anything really, but I'm putting up new content there frequently. So until the next video, thanks for watching.